Printec, established in Taiwan in 1992, stands today as the global leader in human-to-machine interfaces. Printec provides vertically integrated customized solutions such as membrane switches, graphic overlays, in-house flex circuits, full sub-assemblies, optically bonded assemblies, disposable medical sensors, and much more. This allows us to provide the highest quality as we control the manufacturing systems, as well as an effective total cost. Our manufacturing operations span 3 continents with fully owned sites in Taiwan, China, and the USA, serving diverse markets from medical, being our top industry supported, to industrial controls, fitness to automotive. Our impact is felt where technology touches life. Printec is globally recognized for solving challenges, while others deem complex, turning obstacles for our customers into milestones towards success. For our North American clients, Printec USA, located in Fullerton, California, offers comprehensive product management, strategic warehousing and distribution, as well as an on-ground design and manufacturing. Our unwavering commitment to quality shines through with certifications in ISO 9001, Medical 13485, and Automotive IATF 16949. When you demand expertise, innovation, and a commitment to value, trust Printec.